The BIX extension identifies a Kroll Ontrack EasyRecovery data file storing scan results from a data recovery session. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you use these scan result files to continue or complete your data recovery. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single BIX file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. BIX files are saved scan result files from Kroll Ontrack EasyRecovery software. They store the results of a completed disk scan, allowing users to resume file recovery without rescanning the source drive, which is critical for damaged or degraded storage media. EasyRecovery BIX files are binary index databases containing the file system reconstruction data gathered during a disk scan. They record recovered file metadata, directory structures, and sector mapping to enable efficient file recovery without repeated full disk analysis. The default recognized opener for BIX files is known to be Ontrack EasyRecovery from Kroll Ontrack. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows cannot show index content relationships, so correct interpretation requires cataloging utilities. The key to fixing this BIX file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with Ontrack EasyRecovery if available. If not, select another application from the list. When your BIX file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, loading scan results. Open Kroll Ontrack EasyRecovery and select the recovery mode you previously used. Choose to load an existing scan and browse to your BIX file to restore the previous scan results. This avoids rescanning the drive, reducing risk to damaged media. Next, recovering files. Once the BIX scan results are loaded, browse the recovered directory tree to locate your target files. Select the files you wish to recover and choose a destination drive different from the source drive. Never recover files to the same drive being scanned. Finally, troubleshooting missing files. If expected files do not appear in the BIX scan, results run a deep scan using EasyRecovery's advanced mode and save a new BIX file. Deep scans search for file signatures beyond the file system, recovering additional files that directory-level scans may miss. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.